Hello everybody, it is Kate Toretto here for today's video. For today's video, here is the surprise. Thank you for holding on. Sa mga kumapit dyan, thank you all very much for today's video. We are finally heading back to Pakistan! Yeah, so we are going to Pakistan today. I just got like few more hours before I head to the airport. So I'm gonna be spending that just walking outside, eating somewhere, something like that. But yes, again, we are finally heading back to Pakistan today. Yes, today, but we will be arriving tomorrow na because my flight is around the evening time. So, ayun, magkita-kita tayo. I'm not gonna make this long. So, I'm gonna see you in Pakistan. And let's go! Let's do it! Kate Toretto Season 2 in Pakistan. Let's go! Everybody, good afternoon from me, Kate Toretto here. So, for today, good luck po pala ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Hoy! Handa na ba kayo sa Kate Toretto Pakistan Season 2? Let's go! Tara na! So, ayun na. Let's go na to. Kagigising ko lang. I just woke up and, yun na. Tara na. Lista tayo. Tara na! Gawin na natin ito! Everybody, so ayun, we have finally arrived here in Dubai, Terminal 2 International Airport. So, ayun. Nandito ako ng mga friends ko. So, we're gonna be staying here a little for quite some time, mga 1 hour. Just for more chika lang. I cannot believe I'm heading back to Pakistan. Once again, we're doing it. Mag-drop lang ako ng bag. Asikasuhin ko lang to so I can make chika na with my friends. Nakapag-check-in na ako, just bag drop lang ako. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. We're excited na ako. Let's go. Let's do Pakistan once again. Everybody, so we are done with the check-in. I'm just gonna go to immigration, but before that, I'm just gonna have like a quick coffee with my friends na mahiyain. Jeff, if you're watching this, thank you very much for it. Ayaw kasi na Jeff nagpapa-video, but yeah, he was the one who sent me here to Dubai International Airport too. So ayun. Ang haggard ko, but that's okay. Alam niyo naman, everybody knows that na every time na I'm coming or I'm going to airport, I don't fix myself. We gotta have to look neutral, okay? Para iwas tanong. One time kasi natanong ako dahil sa Dubai, nagparito okay ka ba? Tsura kong to. Gantong ilong, nagparito okay? B, kaway ka, B. Hello. Hello, thank you for watching. Thank you. B, bye-bye. Oh, best friend mo, napakakinis. Everybody, so ayun, I'm done with the immigration, with the check-in and everything. I'm here in my gate, just waiting for my flight. It goes smoothly as expected. Really, flying in Dubai is like the easiest airport in the world. Fastest, smoothest, easiest, most convenient. This is one of really the good things about Dubai. Walang masyadong keme-keme, you just have to fly. Just make sure that you have your documents ready and then that's it. We are flying again, everybody. I'm gonna see you again in Islamabad Airport. Yesterday, let's go, let's do it. I'm so excited, puyat, pagod. Medyo may sakit, but we can do it. Okay, everybody, so we have like finally landed. We just boarded the plane. It's 12:44 midnight. Just 3 hours flight from Dubai to Pakistan. I'm gonna see them. I'm so excited. Pakistan Season 2 is finally happening. So let's go. Let's do it. So yeah, magkita na tayo sa Islamabad Airport. Hopefully that everything goes smooth as well once I landed in Islamabad. So yeah, tulog tayo. Yeah, ask her. Check my TikTok.
She said that she
She?
said that she see a lot of Dubaian visiting Pakistan. Your second time?
Yeah, second time.
Last time, yeah.
Last year. Yes.
Which place is you? Where you land last time?
Same, Islamabad. Everybody, so we have finally landed here in Islamabad Airport. And as mentioned, hoy, parang familiar man to, oh. Hoy, if you remember, same as last time, I was also here alone and we're doing it again. So, ayun. Everybody, so yon, I'm done with the immigration. Again, welcoming you to Islamabad International Airport. So, ito lang ako sa baggage. Hindi ko lang aking mga bagahe. I'm so excited, my God. Actually, wala akong concrete plan. But I already got my visa like almost a month ago. Wala lang. Ayoko lang istressin yung sarili ko. So, wala na. Nag-book ng flight, may visa naman. Then dumating, nag-arrive, dito na mag-iisip. I'm gonna start making my plans here. I contacted some of the people I know. So, ayun. So, everybody, again, thank you for joining my first day, my journey going back here in Pakistan. And I look fresh. I like that. Okay.
Okay.
What's your name again?
Ishfaq.
Ishfaq. Ishfaq? Okay, everybody, I met Ishfaq. Oh. He has a Filipina girlfriend. Kasal.
girlfriend, wife.
Wife. O, di ba kinorek niya ako? Wife. May anak, kasal. Ang asawa may ID.
Welcome to her, and I'm pretty sure she will enjoy
Second
a lot
time.
here, and she will let all of you also enjoy.
Yeah, thank
so
you.
Keep watching.
Yeah. Thank you. May pa-convince. Thank you. Thank you. Hoy, hinahunting ko si airport guy. Charis. Charis lang. Malay mo, makita ko siya dito, no. Sabi ko talaga sa inyo, pag nakita ko talaga yun, mami, go talaga. Charis. Hindi natin papalagpasin yung chance this time. Hoy, nakikita ko na ang bag ko. Ayun siya. That's the bagging, oh. Go. Hoy, look at my bagging. So, ito yung bag ko. Siyempre, same. Ito yung bago. Hindi to bago. Iiwanan ko na to dito kasi ano to, chocolate ang laman lahat yan. 13 kilogram, bala na sila dyan. Tapos eto, Pwede sa man assisting me. Bantayan ko raw yung bag niya. Galing Qatar to. Mukhang marami-rami laman tong bag na to. Ayan o. Charis, bantayan ko daw. Inassist ka na. Kinuha niya ako ng trolley. Bait naman ni kuya. Hi, he was the one who's assisting me. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Samar.
Nice. Sa?
My name is Samar.
Oh, nice meeting you, Samar.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Pakistan.
Thank you.
Have a nice day and enjoy.
Hindi ka pa magaling yun Thank you, bye-bye. Hi, wait lang. Ihatid niya raw ako. Pumayag ako agad, diba? Dali kong kausap. Go. Sabi niya, wait lang. Sabay na tayo sa labas kasi. But if he's gonna be out of way, wag na. Wag tayong pa-istorbo sa ibang tao. Pero ipapacheck niya raw sa kanya. So he's gonna check it with his friend. If it's gonna be like the same way, he's gonna drop me. Kadadating mo na ng airport, may maghahatid na sa'yo. Ganon. Sumama ka. Kapag iba yung kulay ng mata, sumama ka. Ay, let's go na daw. Diba? Diba? Let's go. Let's go. Hoy, everybody. Again, welcome. Hoy, nakakamiss tong feeling na to. Sana makita ko sa airport, guy. Chares. Kala mo hindi magka-chat. Charot lang, charot lang. Let's go. Let's go straight. Did you find your friend? It's okay, You don't have to drop me, if you're gonna be a different way. Pero kung yung drop mo ako, mas maganda yan. Chares. Uy, grabe yan. Daming tao sa Pakistan, Ang saya. Daming gwapo, no? Charis. Mag-behave tayo for today's video. Dapat behave lang tayo. Oo, hindi na tayo maglalandi. Tapos na tayo sa Landiira. Chares. Ako pa ba? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hoy, pag nakita ko talaga sa airport, guy, kikiligin ako ng malala. Like, OA talaga. Hi, good morning, Pakistan. I arrived. I think I'm gonna end my vlog here na. Oo. So again, everybody, thank you for watching my departure. Tinapos yung vlog na pagod inantok. Thank you for watching my arrival here in Islamabad again, Pakistan. I hope that you enjoyed watching this vlog. Relax, kalmado. Ganun lang. Hoy, namiss nyo ba to? Namiss ko to. Alam nyo yan, ang nag-trending. Actually, hinahunting ko siya Chares. Makita ko dito yung talaga dahil kikiligin ako malala. Wait lang, sabayan mo ako. Let's go together. Huwag mo ko iwanan. Hoy, may kasama na naman ako sa airport. Wait lang. Hala. Wait, join the camera. The name again. The name again.
Samar.
Wait lang, nagbubungguan yung luggage. Ayan. Hoy, may kasama na naman ako. Kayo talaga. Etong airport ng Islamabad, ang dami kong eksena dito. Why don't you call your friend?
I don't have
It's
friend.
heavy.
I don't have balance.
Wala daw siyang balance. I have. Charas. Joke lang. Wala. Ikaw naman. Joke lang. Paano ako nagka-balance? Wait lang. Ang bigat ng bag. Ang hirap itulak. Hoy, naaalala niyo ba mga eksena dito? Baka lang naman naaalala ninyo. Ay, bakit siya nalungkot? Hoy! Ganda ng mata nito, oh. Ito talagang Pakistan na to. Dami eksena. Ito talagang airport ng Pakistan. No? Pagdating ko pa lang, laban agad, mami. Walang tungpik-tungpik. Laban kayo, Toretto. Diba? Pagdating mo, laban agad. Diba? Pagdating mo, laban agad. Kahit haggard na haggard, laban. Gusto kayo na... Uy, ang ganda ko naman dito.
0332.
Hoy! Ang ganda ko. Charis. Mas fresh ako ngayon kumpara nung unang pumunta ko ng Pakistan. Mas maganda ako ngayon. Joke lang. Salam.
Hello?
Sige na, oy! Nakailang babay na ako, no? Hindi mo na kumaan, no? Hindi mo kayo maalis. Umuulan. Uy, ang ganda ko, oh. Tara, sama ka dito. Kwentuhan mo ako ng buhay mo. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting to you.
Nice meeting to you. Happy birthday to you. Sabihin mo nga, happy birthday to you.
It's your birthday today?
No. 3 days ago.
3 days. Okay.
Hello.
Welcome to Pakistan.
Ay,
Welcome to Pakistan. Enjoying the rain.
enjoy. Oh, umuulan. Oh, everybody, oh, look. It's raining, men. Hallelujah. It's a blessing. Yes. Because it's not raining in Dubai. First day in Islamabad, Pakistan. Ganda kong bata. Umuulan. Tingnan mo yung nagpapapicture sa Pakistan. Ang gwapo. Oh, go. Picture. Ay, sa TikTok. Hi, Philippines. Good. Ay. Okay, go. Diba yung nagpapapicture? Ay, madami mahaba pala to. Oh. Amazing. Diba? Gwapo na nagpapapicture. Okay. Welcome. Okay na yun. Sige na, everybody. I'm gonna see you tomorrow or on the next episode of my Pakistan vlog season 2. Hoy, season 2 na tayo. Again, this is Kay Toretto. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a good day. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Oh, ayun na yun. Mahagard na ako. Para next episode, maganda ako. Hoy, hindi na ako sumama kay Kuyang Green Eyes kasi ang dami niya kaibigan. Nahiya ako. I am shy. But thank you. If you're watching this, thank you very much. Nag-insist ako. I insisted na I will just ride the taxi. Yes. So, ayun. I'm heading to my hotel. And, yun na yun. Pakita ko lang ng very light si Islamabad. Just a bit of Islamabad and then super iksing bonus clip lang. Ganon. Tingin sa camera. Mag-hi ka na rin. Hoy, look at Islamabad. OMG, everybody again now, welcome back to Pakistan, Islamabad. O, sige na, ayun na yun. Very short lang tong bonus clip na to para makapagpahinga ako. Para yung next episode, para siya ako, hindi ako papayag na haggard ako, no? Ayaw.
सब क्यों हुआ माँ
Sinasabi? Do like this.
पछतो
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन कैसे ठीक ठाक आज कुड़िया आई सी यहाँ पर क्या नाम है और घूमने के लिए और थाईलैंड से नहीं बल्कि क्या नाम
फिलीपीन से
अच्छा फिलीपीन से आए और हम इसमें
दावा में पनीर के गो
बस تصور के खबरी का वही सही था बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम और क्या हो गया What are you doing? बिस्मिल्लाह तो क्या नाम है आई एम जस्ट मुस्लिम यार लोग तुम लोग देख रहे हो कि मेरे साथ मेरे दोस्त और क्या नाम है ये लोग बैठे हुए और क्या नाम है इधर फिलीपीन लड़की आई हुई है ठीक है और इसने कहा कि मेरे साथ व्लॉग बनाओ तो हमने व्लॉग बनाया देख रहे हैं उसको हमने जूस भी पिलाया और
जूस होते वो नहीं सवाल
Dah, keras gitu.